there, it's Ashley from WTI. Check out this laser level from DOVOH. We just finished this project behind us and it turned out awesome. The DOVOH laser level is a total game changer. If you have been using chalk lines for as long as we have, then you are really going to appreciate this laser level, being able to make your job much easier from the ceiling to the floor. It does everything from trim work, drop ceiling, whatever you are working on. We used it for an accent wall in our living room. We were putting a lot of trim work on it, and this laser level made it so much easier to have a consistent line that you knew was true. So this is the mounting bracket. You can mount this to the wall, on a tripod, on metal. So a lot of different ways to use this. And what we did is we put it on top of the carrying case, and it was the perfect height for our project. As you can see here, it is just amazing to have this laser level do everything for you. If you do use a laser level a lot, I would recommend doing the tripod. That would really help out. But for our project, we didn't need it. It comes with this case and everything you need inside. It has the 2 rechargeable batteries, or you can use direct power. It also comes with this green plate that really emphasizes the line. And as you can see outside, that line shows up perfect. And inside, it's also just as bright. What I really appreciate about this laser level is that it makes noises and blinks when it's not in level. You can also turn it off from the self-leveling mode, and you can do manual mode. So if you don't really need it to be a level line, you just want it to be straight, then you can just do manual mode and you don't have to worry about any of that. It comes with a scissor lift and also the on-off here for the pendulums, and you want to make sure that you have those locked in so they're not banging it around. And we really love the way that our wall turned out, so I would highly recommend this. And that is my point of view.